So let's make a letterhead, add a rectangle and move it towards the bottom of the page, and you have to give it an outline of purple color, dark purple. Now change its the icon's color to purple. Go to insert and insert a rectangle on top of the page, and now you have to go to shape fill and give it a color of purple, give it a preset and remove its outline. Now insert another rectangle, but it has to be in between of the first rectangle, and it has to be like this. Give it a color of dark black and a preset and remove its outline. Move it like this and adjust it in between the first rectangle. Now the next thing is I'm gonna do some changes in the text. You have to add your own text. I have used a sample text in place of the real text that you're gonna use in your letterhead. Move both of the shapes below. There you go. Go to insert and add a pentagon on top of the letterhead. There you go. Now change its color and remove its fill and give it an outline of purple and increase its PD to 3 PD. Now there you go, add a circle in between it. Go to shape format and remove its shape fill, and give it an outline of light purple. Increase its line size as well. Give it a preset. Now go to insert and insert a text box, and I'm gonna write the title of the letterhead or the company's name or any place you're writing this from, and I'm gonna bold the first letters, increase their size. There you go. Now the next thing you have to do is increase the text size and change the font. You can use your own font that you prefer and that looks suitable. Now let's see. These are the fonts I use. You can also use these fonts. They're available in MSWORD. Now change the color of the text and go to shapes and insert a line, a text box in which I'm gonna write the slogan or anything that I want to write. Change its color to black as well. Give it some spacing, and there you go. Perfect. Now the next thing we have to do is adjust all of this text and increase their size. Move these rectangles below a little bit because it doesn't look really nice right here. We have to get a room for the text as well. Now the next thing is go to shapes and insert a rectangle. with a rounded corners and decrease the size like this. Move it upwards. Change its color to purple, give an outline and preset. Move it like this. Now you have to move it towards you have to add the date, and now next you have to adjust the date. You are going to write the date that on which you are writing this letterhead to someone. Next, we're gonna add a rectangle below on that square, and we're gonna change its color to darker purple than the